In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost Instagram posts from Facebook Ads Manager, how to run Instagram ads on FB Ads Manager 5 minutes. We'll walk through boosting an Instagram post directly inside Meta Ads Manager so you can control your objective, budget, audience, and placements from one place. Before you start, make sure you're signed in to the correct ad account and that your Instagram account is linked to the Facebook page you'll use for the ad. First, open Meta Ads Manager. On the main dashboard, click the Create button to start a new campaign. You'll be prompted to choose a campaign objective. Pick one that supports Instagram placements and aligns with your goal. For example, engagement or reach is great for promoting a post broadly, traffic is ideal for driving people to a link, and sales works if you're optimizing for conversions. Click Continue to move forward. Next, set your budget and schedule. A daily budget gives steady delivery, while a lifetime budget lets you control spend over a set time range. Choose your start and end dates and consider giving your campaign enough time to exit the learning phase. Define your target audience by location, age, gender, and detailed interests or behaviors. If you already have a saved audience that fits your Instagram followers or ideal customers, you can use it here. In placements, click Show More Settings. If you want to focus only on Instagram, select Instagram under Platforms. If you're okay with broader delivery, include all available placements. For a post-centric push, narrowing to Instagram feeds, stories, and reels can help your creative shine. Just make sure your visuals fit the placement. Square or vertical formats tend to perform best on mobile. At the ad level, under Identity, confirm that your Instagram account is connected to your Facebook page. This ensures your ad shows with the right handle on Instagram. Now choose whether to use an existing post or create a new ad. Using an existing post is perfect for boosting content that already has traction. If you create a new ad, upload your media, write a clear primary text, and choose a call to action that matches your goal, like learn more or shop now. Preview your ad across Instagram placements. Toggle through feed, stories, and reels to check cropping, captions, and safe zones so important text isn't cut off. For video, make sure the first few seconds are engaging. Finally, review your campaign settings, objective, budget, schedule, audience, placements, and identity, and click Publish. Your ad will go into review and then start delivering once approved. That's it. You've boosted an Instagram post using Facebook Ads Manager with full control and clarity.